First and foremost, the people. Whenever you look at different companies and so forth, a lot of it is around the people, and we have a very diverse group of people, very global in nature, multiple cultures, multiple tenures with the company, and bringing all of that together really creates a special place, and that's one of the reasons why I love Veeam. I think we provide a tremendous amount of opportunity for our employees. We do a lot of internal promotions. We've rolled out a career program at Veeam called Marketing 360, which gives our employees a really unique opportunity to develop their careers and to learn. So there's mentoring programs, there's video on demand programs, the ability to go to conferences outside of Veeam to continue education, and then learning from others within Veeam. We have programs where there's exchanges with others within the marketing department to be able to learn other functions and other jobs. I think those are some of the reasons. And then one of the other key reasons I think is that we have a really competitive advantage, not only within our industry, but just in general, and that's related to our digital marketing. It's really been the foundation of success of our company, and we have some unique best practices, I would say, that other companies don't necessarily use. So you're going to learn about those types of things that will help you in any career that you choose going forward, because as we know, digital marketing is really key in marketing these days, and learning about that and being able to incorporate best practices into the way that you market, I think is really important. So you'll learn a lot of that at Veeam.